In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to see who has access in Miro. Knowing exactly who can view or edit your board is essential for keeping your work secure and collaborating with confidence, so I'll walk you through a clear, simple process. First, head to Miro.com and open your dashboard. If you're prompted to sign in, go ahead and do that. Once you're in, make sure you're in the correct team or workspace where you want to work. This matters because access is often tied to the team your board lives in. Next, create a new item by selecting Create New. From the options that appear, choose Board. This opens a fresh board where we can quickly check access. If you already have an existing board you want to review, you can open that instead. The process is the same. With the board open, look to the top right corner of the screen and click Share. This is the central place where Miro shows who currently has access. The share panel might look slightly different depending on your plan or admin settings, but the essentials are consistent. In the share window, you'll see a list of people and groups who can get into this board. That typically includes individual collaborators you've invited, your team or company workspace if the board is shared broadly, and sometimes guests or viewers if a link is enabled. Next to each person or group, you'll notice their permission level, things like can view, can comment, or can edit. This is important context. It tells you not only who has access, but also what they're allowed to do. If you spot an entry like anyone with the link, that means the board is accessible to anyone who has that link, which can be handy for quick sharing but may be too open for sensitive content. If your organization has stricter controls, you might also see options restricted to your domain or team, which helps keep access contained. Use this panel to review the current audience at a glance. You can scan for names you expect to see and confirm their roles. If your list looks longer than expected, it may be because the board is shared at the team level or because link access is turned on. When you're done reviewing, simply close the share panel. And that's it. You went to Miro, created a new board, opened the share menu, and saw who has access. Make it a habit to check this panel whenever you start a new board or bring in collaborators so your content stays in the right hands.